Cheesy Bites Pizza is our today's recipe in the joy of cooking. Hi friends, I'm Aishwarya Sunil Bivalkar and today I'll be showing you all how to make Cheesy Bites Pizza. It's very easy and very tasty pizza.
1 cup of all-purpose flour of maida, 1.5 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon active dry yeast, half teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoon olive oil and half cup of lukewarm water. So first in the mixing bowl I will take the sugar, then add the lukewarm water to it, give it a quick whisk and then add the active dry yeast. Set it aside for 10 minutes for proving. In the same mixture after 10 minutes I will add the flour, salt and olive oil. Olive oil right now, knead it. And once it's kneaded properly by adding water, I will add some more olive oil to it. Knead for about 10 minutes and keep it.
So after 6 hours you can see the dough has risen nicely. So I'll start by kneading the dough again with a light hand. So knead it properly for about 4 to 5 minutes. Yes. Now we'll start preparing the pizza base. Dust some flour onto the plain surface. And then take the about medium sized ball depending on the baking dish. Start rolling it. It must be evenly rolled out from all the sides. Not too thick and not too thin. So roll it out evenly. Dust some more flour if required. Perfect. Brush some oil onto the baking tray. And then dust some flour onto it. Then put the rolled out pizza base and pull it out a little bit. Then take the mozzarella sticks and place them at the ends of the circle or the base. Perfect. Now seal in the mozzarella sticks. Cover the sticks properly with the base. And seal it properly. So seal it properly. As you can see, it's done now. Perfect. Now We'll cut the mozzarella stick into half like this. And then cut into the ends. Perfect. Done. And now we are going to twist the dough. So twist the cheese part. And this is how our cheesy bites pizza base is ready. Now for the sauce, I have taken tomato sauce. Into it I have added oregano and basil, dried oregano and dried basil. Mix it well and then apply it to the pizza base. And then apply garlic mayonnaise to it. This is optional. Then put the grated mozzarella cheese. Perfect. Now put the toppings of your choice. Here I am adding sliced capsicum, green capsicum, diced tomatoes, de-seeded, green olives, pitted and sliced, some more tomatoes, and sliced onions. Sprinkle some basil, oregano, and then brush the bites with oil. We are going to bake this in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 to 25 minutes. The cheese must melt properly and the base must cook. So you'll get the brown marks as you can see after 20 minutes. I'm going to sprinkle the oregano and chili flakes onto it. And our yummy, delicious Cheesy Bites pizza is ready. Please do like my video, subscribe to my channel The Joy of Cooking. Hit the bell icon for the notifications of the new videos that I share. Follow me on Pinterest, Instagram and Facebook. I am Aishwarya Sunil Bivalkar signing off. Take care, stay tuned and I will see you next time. Bye bye.